Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make custom packaging on a budget. So as you can see, I have this 4.5 by 6.5 inch cardstock for $6. You can find this at Michael's or Hobby Lobby, and it comes in multiple different colors. And sometimes if you're lucky, there's a buy one get one 50% off, there's a buy one get one free, or there's 20 to 40% off of the cardstock. So keep that in mind. That's saving you even more money when you're shopping for this. Next, I have this June 6 embossing ink. You can also use Versa ink. I found this on Amazon for like under $12. I might have paid $10 for this. This is important to have when we're embossing our packaging. So here's my custom stamp. I made this on Zazzle.com. If you're not familiar, it's a website just like Vistaprint where you can go online and make all of your custom marketing material, branding material, etc., etc. So I think I paid under 30 bucks for this. All I did was log onto the website, type out what I want my stamp to say, select the size, and then place my order. It was as simple as that. You'll also need embossing powder for your custom packaging. Here's 5 different colors that I got off of Amazon. I think I paid, I don't know, maybe 15 bucks, maybe $30, somewhere around there. I'll leave it linked below, but you can find it right on Amazon. Here's a heat gun. You'll also need this for your custom packaging, and yes, you can find this right on Amazon. All right, now I'm going to show you how I make my custom packaging and how you can too. So we're going to take our embossing ink, our stamp, and choose the pigment that you want to use, your embossing powder, for your packaging. You're just going to take the stamp, place it evenly in the pad, make sure that it's fully coated with the ink. Then what you're going to do is place it on the packaging paper, etc., whatever you're using, and just firmly press down, but not too hard to where the ink is going to spread. Now that we have our paper stamped, I'm just going to take the embossing powder and just shake it over top. Make sure that it covers every part of the area that's been stamped. Now that we have all the pigment on, what I like to do is have a piece of paper or a paper towel or something to use to dump the extra pigment in so I can recycle it and use it on my next packaging. So now that it's fully covered, I'm going to take my heat gun. With my heat gun, I'm just going to slowly start at one end of where I stamped at and slowly work my way up to the other end of where I've stamped. As you can see, it starts to glisten and emboss and looks so pretty. It only takes a few seconds for this to work. Now voila, look at that. It looks so good, so professional, and all on a budget. I'm just going to do a few more pieces of cardstock to just show you how fast and easy it is to create your own custom packaging at home on a budget. This is the best way. Also, you can use this embossing for scrapbooking, invitations, really anything that you want to customize yourself. We've made it to the end of the video. If you found this video helpful at all, please like and comment. And if you'd like more business on a budget, nail related content, and DIY in general, please subscribe. And until next time, have a wonderful rest of your day.